Anyway, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everybody from the sunny Okanagan at plus 5 degrees in the middle of December.
Pika, you're going to have to get your Christmas spirit. Pika, get your Christmas spirit. Ah.
You should be singing.
Joy to the world. The world. Da, 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 okay, now.
Oh, he looks so good.
Put on your little horns. Good boy. Aren't you cute?
You look so cute, Pika.
Aren't you cute, Pika? Okay, say Merry Christmas. Get the Christmas spirit. Don't look so grumpy. Okay, stop now.
Okay. All right.
Pika, it's time for your eardrops. Good boy, good boy. Now down your eardrops. Pika.
You weren't kidding.
Pika, come on, time for your eardrops. Oh, good boy.
Did you get one in at least?
Yeah, no, I have to do the other one. Pika, be a good boy. Have to give you your eardrops.
Is this every day you'd have to do this?
Yeah.
Better you than me.
Which one did I do last time? I forgot.
You did the one closest to me,
Okay. Good boy.
I think.
Good.
Or maybe not.
That's it for a job for today. Good boy.
That's a tiring job.
Good boy. Sit. He doesn't trust me. Okay. Okay, that's good.
Good job.
Furball wishes you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year too. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to everybody from the sunny Okanagan at plus 5 degrees in the middle of December.